happy Valentine's Day. This is a special Valentine's Day workout video. We're going to do a strength workout with some deadlifts and a couple different booty workouts, leg workouts, calves, stuff like that. I'm with my girlfriend today, Celia, at Figure Check, and we're about to kill it over here at Fit Nation in Gurnee. So stay tuned and watch this video. So we started off with a quick warm up on the treadmill, just walking at about a 1 incline, 3.0 speed for 10 minutes, just get the blood flowing. One thing I've learned as I started to learn more about working out is how important it is to warm up and get the blood flowing in your body, so that way you don't pull stuff and stuff like that. So now we're gonna do some foam rolling. So she's already started. We're gonna do 15 IT rolls, 15 hip rolls, and 15 upper back rolls. Alright, so first workout of the day today will be deadlifts. We're doing 5x5. We're going to start off with some warm-up sets and work out to 75% of our 1 rep max. And one thing that we have to reiterate is rest times in between. This is a 5x5 rep scheme, but we're also doing a 5-minute rest. 5 minutes might seem like a lot. I know a lot of people want to rush through the workouts, but there's a reason behind it. Strength is built by resting. So the more you rest, the more strength you'll have for your sets. Also, your neurological system needs the rest. You might feel like you can do another set right away, but your body's not ready. So usually 5 minutes. Some people even take up to 15 to 20 minutes in between their heavy sets. So just a quick tip. Alright, so next workout is good mornings. We're going to do 3 sets of 8. So these are good mornings. Feet together, squeezing. She's activating a lot of muscle in her body at this moment. Alright, next workout is sissy squats, 3 sets, AMRAP. Nice and concentrated to get the form right, to get the glutes activated. Next workout is standing reverse leg curls, 3 sets of 8. Next workout is cable kickbacks. We're going to do 3 sets of 8 also, single leg at a time. Last workout of the day is going to be some core. We're going to do some ab rollouts, 3 sets of 5. Day Massacre workout's over. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As you can tell, she did. She's killed it. I did do the workout. Don't think I didn't. I didn't do the squats because I did them yesterday, but I did do the rest. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace, love, and happiness.